Welcome back, ladies. My name is Katyusha at Love Worthy You. Drive him wild by adopting these powerful, life-changing mindsets. Let's dive in.
Magical, physical, rapturous, lyrical, higher than high.
Number one, you are enough. You might be 20 pounds overweight now. You might lost your job. A lover might just left you. But you are still enough and always worthy of whatever it is that you want. Of course, worthy of love, because that's what we all want. I am enough. And there are actual exercises that will help you to feel that, to embody that, to feel it from the inside. It's like this tiny light that's been dimmed by years and all the hurt, and you're actually lighting it up, and you're feeling the warmth spreading through your body and out to the world. I am enough. You're always enough. Number two, you have a purpose. You are living a purposeful life. And if you don't have a purpose, find your purpose. I'm going to be making a video soon about how to find a purpose. And if you're watching this video by the time I already created it and put it out there, it should be somewhere here. When you live in a purposeful life, you wake up in the morning with eager and joy to be contributing to the world. It's good to love ourselves and take care of ourselves, of course. But to live your life to full potential, you must be doing something useful and contributing to the society and seeing how the society benefits from your actions, from your being here on earth. So when you find that thing that makes your life purposeful, you feel whole. Number three, the universe has my back. No matter what, the universe has my back. It's cultivating that calmness, that love inside, vs anxiety and fear. Whatever happens, the universe has my back, and everything is unfolding for my highest good. When you adopt this thinking, because it all starts in our minds. We think one thought, we think, and from a little puddle, it becomes a bigger puddle, it becomes a lake, a sea, an ocean, and then it manifests itself into the world. And then you start feeling it, living it, walking it, and feeling that worth, feeling that everything is the way it's supposed to be. Everything is for my highest good. You might ask, what does it have to do with driving him wild? Everything. Because when you are your whole universe, not broken and needing that love, but you created this space of love for yourself. Man is pulled towards that. He wants to come back to you. He can wait to bask into that energy of love, emotions, of warmth, right? And when we're bitter and sour, what do men do? They pull away. They want to get away somewhere where it feels nicer. So in order for him to come back to you, to desire you, to pursue you, to want you, you have to make your life whole, your being. You have to be excited when he's not around, right? It's great when he's around, but it's also great when he's not around because you're whole. And that's how you will drive him wild forever. Seriously. My worthy ones, How to Love Yourself guide is waiting for you in the description below. There is a link you'll find. Please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about my new upcoming videos.